So, you are stuck in the same pattern of trying and failing to learn new skills, and with each failure chips away at your confidence, making it harder to try again. Fear not. I'm here to help you with this no-nonsense course, designed to make you the Michelangelo of skill mastery. To uncover the world's fastest and most effective ways to learn anything, I spent 53 days diving into books, interviews, and research papers, experimenting with techniques from world-class learners. After taking 82 pages of notes and failing spectacularly myself, I've created the ultimate crash course to skill acquisition that actually works, and all in under 5 minutes. Without a clear why, you'll lose focus. Before you dive headfirst into learning a new skill, pause and ask yourself, why do I want to learn this? Is it for your dream job? To impress someone? Or just because it looks cool on Instagram? Clarity is your superpower here. Without knowing your why, you'll burn out faster than your morning coffee cools down. Take a page from Simon Sinek's book, Start with Why. When your why is strong, your motivation becomes bulletproof. Write it down, stick it on your wall, or tattoo it on your wrist if you must. When the going gets tough, and it will, your why will keep you in the game. Break it down. Now that you've nailed your why, it's time to tackle the beast, breaking the skill into smaller, digestible chunks. Want to learn the guitar? Don't aim to master Stairway to Heaven in a week. Start with basic chords. Josh Kaufman, in the first 20 hours, explains this beautifully. Focus on the 20% of tasks that give you 80% of the results. This is called the Pareto Principle, and it's your cheat code to mastering any skill faster than you ever thought possible. The 5-minute rule. Ready to start, but feeling intimidated? Enter the 5-minute rule. Commit to working on the skill for just 5 minutes. That's it. The magic, once you start, you're likely to keep going. It's like tricking your brain into showing up. This is the same principle behind James Clear's Atomic Habits. Small, consistent actions lead to massive progress over time. So whether it's sketching, coding, or cooking, show up for 5 minutes every day. Before you know it, those 5 minutes turn into hours of practice. Deliberate practice. Practice doesn't make perfect. Deliberate practice does. Instead of just repeating the same mistakes, focus on improving the areas where you struggle. Break down the problem, analyze it, and attack it head-on. Want to be an amazing chess player? Don't just play random games. Analyze your losses, study openings, and focus on your weaknesses. As Anders Ericsson explains in Peak, deliberate practice is what separates amateurs from experts. Find a coach or a mentor. You might think you can learn everything on your own, but let me stop you right there. A mentor or coach can cut your learning curve in half. They've been where you are and can guide you away from common pitfalls. Can't afford a coach? No problem. The internet is your mentor. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy are packed with tutorials and courses. Pick one and stick to it. Consistency is the name of the game. Embrace failure. Here's the deal. Failure isn't optional. It's a prerequisite. The sooner you accept this, the faster you'll learn. Every failure is feedback. Missed a note while learning the piano? That's feedback. Burned your first dish while cooking? Feedback. Thomas Edison said it best. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Embrace the mess, and you'll master the skill faster than those who fear failure. By understanding your why, breaking down the skill, committing to 5-minute sessions, and embracing failure, you'll unlock the Einstein-level genius in you. That's it for today. Now go learn that skill you've been procrastinating on and become unstoppable.